finished the work that I have been given. And now mankind has the opportunity to receive righteousness. Watch. So that when they die, they can be justified before a holy God. That without this moment, no person can be justified before God. No person is headed to heaven. You said, but Pastor, wait, what about the Old Testament saints? Man, they was the same recipients of grace, just like we are right now. Because you and I live in time. God does not live in time. It's why God says Jesus was the lamb slain from the foundation of the world. So that although this was coming in time, those in the Old Testament who placed their faith in God, he credited to them the grace of the cross in AD 33 was credited back retroactively to anybody that placed their faith in God. That's why we know Abraham is in glory, and David is in glory, and Ruth is in glory, and Esther is in glory.